ka Voice of the People Party hakasi ka bala Pyllait ya kamat treikam jongka ka badan live sautli kimat ka bala penbena bakan numrandin bat kimat ki bala pensngau hakamat treikam jongka hak election Henry banyatai bai lakalong hapo yeng darbar ne sabar ka yeng darbar thawan kimat ki bakalawan ra ki kenthop nadu ka puli ka puthi ka koi ka khia ka kamrep rijingri ki jaka rural urban migration ka jingkhamia ka Shillong ka Artikl laispa nyopuai ka schedule ka border issue drugs ka kambam sab bantokit ki kambam sab ki bala kena persya ya ka MDA bat ki wei kawai na pedeng kini kimat ka dei halor ka Artikl 371 ka bau presiden ka VPP uba Arden Uloong ba kumbala deb banwanra mensua umsim layu I bagi don ki persya Henry dei tang ka ba ki panpor ban sngu thu khamnia shushu ya ka ti kumta sansnem kilaya sngudu jingkermen bakan don ka jingmenjur hapo ka yeng darbar thawan
kamat jingkular ka bangi la bo hagani ka manifesto ka jingi ka dei habedi baka puli ka puthi ka baar ka dei ka health ka balai ka dei ka agriculture animal husbandry fisheries ka basaw ka dei bat ka land ka khando shap ka ba sun ka dei ka rural urban migration ka ba nriew ka dei ka decongestion of Shillong and building of satellite towns ka ba nyo ka dei ka tourism ka ba pra ka dei ka power ka ba khandai ka dei ka transport and communication ka ba shipho ka dei ka sport and youth affairs ka ba khatwei ka dei ka employment ka ba khatar ka dei ka reformation of Meghalaya Public Service Commission and other recruitment committees boards ka ba khatlai ka dei ka reservation policy ka ba khatsaw ka dei ka differently abled persons nangta ka ba khatsan ka dei ka water conservation and rainwater harvesting and water supply ka ba khanriu ka dei ka environment ka ba khanyo ka dei ka mining ka ba khatpra ka waste management ka khandai ka dei ka public transport arpo strengthening the public finance arfoi ka influx ka ba arpo ka Artikl 371 ka arpo lai ka 8 schedule arpo saw ka border issue ka arpo saw ni arpo Sunday law and order ka arpo repealing the Meghalaya Gaming Act 2022 arpo nyo ka the strengthening of the Meghalaya Compulsory Registration of Marriage Act 2012 arpo pra corporate social responsibility arpo khandai with the drugs lipo more interaction with the academicians and the public lipo building open space in urban areas and creation of separate directorate for parks and recreation lipo investigation into alleged scams of the MDA government lipo administration lipo saw teachers and politics kini ki life sautli ki mat ki ba ikwa ban kenthop hakane ka hakini ki mat jingkular ki jingi kom ka Voice of the People Party
VPP kon khatra mo tumika khakrasi administration te majong hi bodon kam yu number manyo no ka ban long ta ma ka ni ki ma ki mo ra menchua yi ka ba ko an ko ki long wemeli Kerana bahawa musim ladan menunggu kiban, ya senrap lang dan air jingkasya. Hagan nukur kompat mungkin semua hawe di begini nomad. Segi pada meli nomad ni suatu lupa oleh berkandar di kesarkar senrap pak. Hagan di begini tu mereka.
Pi ngatrai ngiken mau ba hakapor bangara ya gani ka mat apo assembly. Mendon weru uba persyak. There was no one who opposed my resolution hakabidi bagani tenrei baro ki bishim banta hakani ka debate haga discussion hakabidi bag Artikl 371 keep in power but they still need some more time to understand about the issue so they feel that a deliberation on this issue needs to be continued tamagata ka diga keep in power te komba kalong menta ngi pening khat prangut komba piong bat ngim dei ban klet baka party ka bajop tang prangut hakani ka tem ka menta kadon haka position ka bakala ban influence the government on any issue te hopefully there is every likelihood ba ka VPP kan yo ia ka benta ka ba kongsan hakani ka sansnem ka bamenta teling ba kata ni kmilinti bat ngilong positive ngilong optimistic bangila ban pensung tho ya kini pat ki pat ki political party ba sansnem menshwa playolat ban sung tho ya gade ka jingdon kam jo ka article te menta ka ni ka snem bangin menjur pan pass ka resolution bangin pass ka government of India nam tak extension jo ka article 372
politically kalau nama ban snow ini kami kemat semut agak VPP kadai ban song yang opposition mereka ni kemat kalau bibo kalau berengkam nama bila song tu kopor kadai mau kita nak kalian percaya mereka bentar sekali kalau indo pakai sesuatu jadi apa.
For us, whether we are in the government or in the opposition, the issue remains the same. We will seriously pursue these issues. Kabangila kolar siapa iba. Lakalong hayeng dorbar thawan, leni sabar juga hayeng dorbar thawan. Take a question kabangin don hak opposition, leni don hak ruling kanum arise. Larang idon hang nuhunuru, it doesn't matter for us. Te hendrai ke kabangi ni ko aban panpau kolong, we are very serious with these issues. It is not going to be empty promises to the people. Ma hendai gendai ki promise ki jingkular ki ba ngilong serious kabangi ngin yakun tenge. But it is too early bangin ong kadang kloy than kapor bangin ong bangin don ka opposition leni ha ka ruling. Mentangi dan penkre ya kan ka election bat ngangit komba pisngu tho. Ma naga sur kal air ka babe anam don menu ki ban ong ba ka VPP kan don sharot lani shapo. It is just a matter of time ka dis tangkapor ka artrik bagi pai bakin isai katnu ka VPP kan job but hangnu ka VPP kan don daladep election ka bedi bu drugs kalong ka ek issue ka ba pen pangmet yang namar ba ngi bigi khon samla jing ki klem ngop tang ho drugs atang ka kya real drugs then ring don hi ki strategy ki jungi ke ba nginle then ring ke ba ngi ko aban shu highlight kindiat le na ke ba nginle kalong ha bedi bat kani ka party can classify, there will be a classification mo habedi bu drugs kindon ki bangila abanong kita ki drug user kindon kita ki drug supplier. So we will deal with these groups accordingly.
Meghalaya TMC kawan Rashapi ya kamai kan. Anda ka TMC kan thau sarkar, Meghalaya TMC kan penmi lailak teli ki kam habo kini kisan sinem manwan, berkum juru ban ajing era pisa ka belong siajar dikasi benai, kata khat arjar dikasi sinem ka barok ki samla ki bampat dan ni ka kam ka jam.
Hakane ka ap nyau trek urempang, dan ya ka sap jong pi haki artli ki sentiu bat kersan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
Even after so many years, Meghalaya only has one government medical college. Is this the Meghalaya we want to leave behind for our children? It's time to speak up about the issues blocking Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka